That's vlog number 4. I am here in a city called Bellagio. I always wanted to come here on northern Italy next to Lake Como. I'll be exploring this place first with my friends, which I just lost. Tomorrow we are off to Switzerland. We just have a bunch of tents and we'll see what we can come up to. Vibe in Bellagio is absolutely amazing. You can see people just enjoying life here, sipping wine in the evening. It's also zero tourists. That's what I like about traveling, going to places where there's not many tourists. I mean, technically I'm a tourist, but I consider myself very local.
My humble, semi-professional opinion that the combination and the ambient of this lighting, the artificial lighting to be exact, with the natural sunset lighting is just absolute bliss for the soul. And just being here is completely ineffable experience. Completely ineffable experience, man. You have to be here, you have to experience it, your feet have to touch the ground for your soul to be able to soak in all these beautiful vibes.
This place is absolutely fantastic.
Ineffable.
I have to ask my dad what is this.
You don't know what diesel evolution is? It's gonna evolve your car.
Alright, good morning. We're on the way towards Switzerland. Plan for today, we meet our friend Valia and Fabienne, who are there any minute now, and we're still on the way, so we need like 2 hours to go, and then hopefully the weather will be good for camping. Let's see what the road brings. Okay, so we'll have to take a train from Italy to Switzerland. The train goes through the mountains and we have to take our car onto the train, so that's gonna be a fun journey. Let's go. Oh my god, this is crazy. That's gonna be a fun ride. Summer is really hot in Europe, so that's why I decided to go to the mountains, to lakes where it's cold. I think it's really nice to go somewhere where it's a bit cooler. Mountains, nature, just brings you completely different energy. We arrived. It was a crazy trip. It took us longer than expected. And now I can't wait to meet Fabienne and Valia. And then we're gonna set up the tents. Let's see how easy it is to set up a tent. There we go. Where's the tent one complete?
Hello! Hey, you're the troublemaker.
Look at you!
Let's go. Get the filter.
Yes. You're overexposed now. We're almost ready.
We're gonna get some water, and then we're gonna get some food, and then we'll go. Should I try to yank off the camera off your hand? Then we go up the mountain, blow this mountain up, you know. My country is my home, this is my pride, this is my beautiful. Al natural. We hiked from Kandersteg straight to Oeschinensee. It took us like 1 hour, easy. It was just like getting a taste for what it means to be in Switzerland.
That was sick.
I made a transition for you.
Coffee's ready. One for you, one for you. Look at you.
Vibes on vibes on vibes.
Good morning.
We out here. They didn't believe in us, but God did. But we're gonna explore, conquer, yo, and we're gonna explore.
And then we're gonna hit some mountain passes, like if you're in Switzerland.
It's either we're gonna hit them or they're gonna hit us, depending on the level of difficulty.
We should totally go hiking because it's a really beautiful day. Yesterday was rainy, so we couldn't do much. Bye, Fabienne. So Fabienne brought us to the hiking trail. We're gonna try to hike somewhere up there. Let's see. Made it to the top. We came from somewhere all the way down there. Very beautiful. I will try to find a hidden bunker. So there is a hidden bunker, machine gun nest, and in Switzerland there's a lot of like hidden bunkers. Driving in Switzerland is not like a way of transportation, it's more like an experience. When you drive through these mountain passes, enjoy the views. People here go to the mountains and mountain resting places on these mountain tops just to gather, hang out and enjoy. That's actually a way of meeting people here in Switzerland. Next stop we go up this route all the way to the top there. Okay, we have arrived to Fruka Pass, Hotel Belvedere. I don't know what's special about it, but it does look really sick and cinematic. And I know that James Bond was filmed somewhere around here, and this is one of the coolest car meeting spots here in Switzerland, and definitely the coolest looking mountain pass, in my personal opinion.
we're gonna check out some bridge. Doesn't look safe, but looks exciting. And maybe some other stuff. Yeah.
How was the first time camping?
Oh, I'm overloaded with emotions. It was amazing. I have zero expectations from things I do. That's why I'm always satisfied with the result.
It's pretty scary. Just two drones hanging around. We found this random place. We're getting some cheese and some local meat. That was cold. Just made it back to Slovenia, finally home. Oh my god, that trip was really overwhelming. I cannot believe how stunning Switzerland is. It was always a dream of mine to take a car and a tent and go through Switzerland, and also a bunch of friends joined me, which was really cool. It's all about with who you travel, not where you travel. The vibes were absolutely amazing. I truly hope that you enjoyed this vlog and that it gave you inspiration, and yeah, truly looking forward for the next vlog. See you soon.
Vibes on vibes on vibes.